What is up, guys? Billy Mac here for another adventure. We're out here magnet fishing in a new spot, one, doing something brand new, two, all in the same video. It's kind of weird. And you see the bridge there? That's Route 3. This is the Pawcatuck River. The river is super low. But I see here there's a platform there, there's an island, there's another platform there. So I'm guessing there used to be another bridge here at one point in time. There's also on top of the bridge over by the road, there's an old platform, there's an old plaque. I'm guessing a memorial of some sort. We're going to figure out what that is, and we're going to do some magnet fishing over here, and we're going to try something new. Let me show you the magnet. So what I did is I attached the GoPro, or one of my GoPros, to the magnet. And we'll be able to see what I'm finding in the water. Well, you'll be able to see you'll be able to see what I'm finding before I will. Like a sneak peek. Let's do some magnet fishing. It actually is really deep down here. Second find of the day. I'll tell you what, in all honesty, I didn't realize how rich in history this area is, and we'll have to do a video on that another time where we come back here and we explore the history of this area. But today we're just magnet fishing. I got two things out. I haven't even done the other side of the bridge yet, which I'm sure has a lot of stuff in there too. But we are losing daylight. losing it quickly. There we go. Alright, that's number 2. So we have a whole other side of the bridge to explore. We're running out of daylight, unfortunately. Let me show you what I found, and I'll contact my scrapper and he'll come and get it. So right now it's just 2 really rusty, nasty pipes. That's what I got at the moment. But I'm sure you know there's always more scrap metal to be found. There's always more magnet fishing to be done. So if you like this video, give this video a big old thumbs up. If you like the content, consider subscribing. Like I said, I got more videos like this on the way. More adventures coming your way. In the meantime, catch you on the next adventure. See ya.